If you're an entrepreneur stuck working 12-hour days while barely scraping together 10K months, this video is for you. 90 days ago, I was manually doing everything in my business, overwhelmed and broke, working myself to death for pennies. Today, I close another 100K a month working maybe 2 hours a day. In this video, I'm gonna show you the exact 6-step AI agent system that will cut your working hours by 80% while tripling your revenue, including the one $50,000 mistake that almost killed my business before I discovered the secret that changed everything. I've helped hundreds of students build these same AI agent systems to escape the manual labor trap, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it too. AI agents completely changed my life by finding and closing clients automatically through direct messages. Here's the thing, before AI agents, I was spending 6 hours daily manually reaching out to prospects on LinkedIn, Instagram, email. I was crafting individual messages, researching each company, following up manually. I was getting maybe 2 to 3 responses per day and closing 1 client per week if I was lucky. This AI agent system completely changed that. Now my AI agents send over 240 personalized messages daily across multiple platforms. These AI agents find prospects using specific criteria I set, research their business automatically, craft perfect messages based on their pain points, handle objections using proven frameworks, and close deals directly through DMs without me ever getting on a call. Let me give you some free game here with a real conversation my AI agents had with this personal trainer, Bo Clauston. So my AI messages this personal trainer, Bo Clauston, saying, "My brother, love your content, like awesome work. What type of clients are you looking for?" So notice how my AI is super casual, almost like you're DMing a friend. Not sending huge chunky paragraphs or huge salesy pitches. It's just, "My brother, send, love your content, send, like awesome work, send. What type of clients are you looking for? Send." So it feels very human-like. So Bo responds back, "Training clients." So then my AI says, "That's awesome, Bo. We work with a ton of coaches who target a similar niche. Oh, by the way, I'm starting a new case study program, taking 5 coaches and helping them grow and monetize their brand to 10K a month in the next 100 days. Cool if I ask you a couple questions to see if I could help." By the way, I'm not gonna explain the whole psychology of this entire script because quite frankly, that would take me hours upon hours, and I know you don't got time for that. But just trust me on this, this Bo guy pays me $9.97 a month at the end of this conversation. So Bo says, "Sure, man." So then my AI asks a series of questions. So, "Okay, fantastic, my man. Where is your income now and where do you want it to be at in the next 3 to 6 months?" Bo says he's making $1,800 a month roughly and wants to be at that 2 to 10K a month. 5K would be really comfortable. So then my AI says, "Gotcha, my brother. So what would you say you need help with right now?" Bo says, "I would just be starting from ground zero, so just getting clients online, I guess." So then my AI says, "Totally understand. So is this a priority for you or more of a later thing?" Bo says, "Yeah, it is a priority." So then my AI says, "Perfect. When you're ready, just have a read through this, then hit me back with a reply saying I'm in, I'm out, or any questions, okay?" And so if you're wondering what this document my AI just sent, it's basically just the details of my service and the price. But don't worry, I'm gonna break down this document later on in this video. I got you. Anyways, Bo says, "All right, well, I think I'm gonna do it." So then my AI says, "Boom, can't wait to crush this, you legend. Just to make sure you're not gonna get back to you tomorrow and say you changed your mind, right?" And he says, "As long as you don't do it to me." So then my AI sends him over the invoice to pay me and match up the names. Bo Clausen, Bo Clausen, this guy pays me $9.97 a month, and my AI agent did all the work for me. Literally just found him, messaged him, and closed him without me even having to touch it. I never spoke to him once. The AI handled the entire sales conversation and closed the deal through DMs. The AI agent system even tracks which messages get the highest response rates and automatically optimizes the scripts. Last week, it identified the messages mentioning AI revolution got 34% higher response rates, so it updated all future outreach to include that phrase. If you're getting value from learning about AI agents so far, make sure to hit the like button, so I know you want more AI agent content like this. AI agents transform my life through automated service delivery that requires 0 work from me. This is where most agency owners get stuck. They could get clients, but then they become slaves to fulfillment. They're working 16-hour days trying to deliver services manually, not with AI agents. My service delivery AI agent manages my entire network of expert providers. When clients sign up for AI messaging services, the AI agents automatically assign the best provider based on the client's industry, budgets, and specific needs. The AI agent sends all client details, manage the entire setup process, handle quality control, and even manage ongoing communication. Here's what's insane about this AI agent agent system. I have clients paying me $5K a month for AI messaging services. My service provider costs me $800 a month to deliver. The AI agents handle all coordination, project management, and quality assurance. So I literally just collect the $4,200 profit without touching the delivery. But it gets better. The AI agent system tracks provider performance automatically. It monitors client satisfaction scores, delivery times, and results generated. If a provider's performance drops, the AI agents automatically reassign future clients to better performers. Last month alone, this AI agent system generated $157,000 in revenue while I was chilling in the hot tub at my high-rise Chicago apartment. The AI agents were running everything, assigning projects, managing timelines, handling client communication, processing payments. I checked in maybe once a day just to see the numbers. The AI agents even handle customer support. When clients have questions or issues, the AI agents provide instant responses using a knowledge base of common solutions. Only complex issues get escalated to me, which happens maybe once a week. Here's the freedom this AI agent system gave me. AI agents changed my life by giving me complete time and location freedom. Let me show you the exact results from AI agents over 90 days, broken down week by week. Week 1, 3K, learning the AI agent systems. Week 2, 7K, AI agents starting to work. Week 3, 8K, optimizing AI agent performance. Week 4, 5K, fixing AI agent bugs. Total, 23K. Month 2 with AI agents. Week 1, 12K, AI agents hitting stride. Week 2, 18K, scaling AI agent outreach. Week 3, 21K, AI agents fully optimized. Week 4, 16K, holiday slowdown. Total, 67K. Month 3 with AI agents. Week 1, 35K, AI agents in full automation. Week 2, 42K, record week with AI agents. Week 3, 38K, consistent AI agent performance. Week 4, 42K, best week ever with AI agents. Total, 157K. But it's not just about the money from AI agents. The time freedom is incredible. I went from working 12-hour days manually, prospecting, delivering services, and managing everything to working 2 hours a day thanks to AI agents. My typical day now, 30 minutes reviewing AI agent performance, 1 hour on closing calls that AI agents booked, and 30 minutes on strategy and optimization. That's it. The AI agents handle everything else. I'm here in Chicago, and yesterday while I was on a date with my girlfriend, my AI agents closed 3 new clients and generated $8,000 in revenue. The AI agents literally run my business better than I do. Better closing rates than me. AI agents, 67%. Me manually, 43%. Better client satisfaction than when I manage manually. AI agents, 4.8 out of 5 stars. Manual, 4.2 out of 5 stars. Smarter optimization decisions than I could ever make, all thanks to AI agents processing data 24/7. At this point, you might have extra questions about how to actually set up these AI agent systems without the technical headaches. Don't worry, I've compiled the exact step-by-step process in my free training. Click the link in my description to access the best AI online business to start as a beginner, where I'll show you how to build your client acquisition AI agent, set up your service delivery AI agent network, and get the same freedom results I just showed you. This training includes the exact AI agent tools I use, the specific prompts that make these AI agents work, and the automation sequences that connect everything together. These are the exact same AI agent frameworks that I share with my 10K coaching clients, but I'm sharing it for free for a limited time only. Again, click the link in my description to access this free training now. AI agents changed everything because of the timing of the AI agent revolution. We're in the early days of the AI agent revolution, and I firmly believe this is the biggest opportunity since the internet boom. Most businesses are still doing everything manually, spending hours on tasks AI agents do in minutes. Here's what's happening right now with AI agents. While your competitors are manually sending 50 messages per day, your AI agents can send 240. While they're manually managing projects, your AI agents are coordinating entire service delivery networks. While they're guessing at optimization, your AI agents are making data-driven decisions in real time. But this AI agent window won't last forever. Every month, more entrepreneurs discover AI agents. The ones who move fast with AI agents will dominate their markets. The ones who wait will be left behind in the AI agent revolution. I'm seeing this happen already. 6 months ago, I was the only person in my niche using AI agents for client acquisition. Now I see competitors trying to copy my AI agent approach, but they're months behind and making the same mistakes I already solved. This is not theory about AI agents. This is proven to make me over $157,000 per month right now using AI agents. But more importantly, it's proven to work for my students too, like Gabe Milagrito, who went from $0 to $80,000 a month profit in just a couple months with no prior experience. Paul Wilkinson landed a $13,148 profit client and is now making over $30,000 a month. Yassine Collin hit $35,000 in a single month while still in high school. The AI agent revolution is happening now. The question is, will you be a part of it or will you watch from the sidelines? But here's the biggest mistake that almost killed my AI agent business. I made a $50,000 mistake that you need to avoid. I firmly believe the biggest mistake you can make is trying to build custom AI agents from scratch. Here's exactly what happened. In March, I hired a development team for $15,000 to build custom AI agent software. Then I spent another $20,000 on additional developers when the first team couldn't deliver. Then another $10,000 on AI consultants who promised they could fix everything. Finally, $5,000 on various AI platforms and tools that didn't integrate properly. The AI agent system crashed constantly. Messages weren't sending, data wasn't syncing, clients were getting frustrated. I was more stressed than when I did everything manually. After 3 months and $50,000 down the drain, I was ready to give up on AI agents completely. That's when I discovered the secret that changed everything about AI agents. You don't build AI agents, you orchestrate existing AI agent tools. Instead of custom software, I connected proven AI agent platforms with simple automation tools like Zapier and Make. My client acquisition AI agent, it's actually Claude and ChatGPT for message creation, Clay for prospect research, and Instantly for email delivery. 3 different AI agent tools working together seamlessly. My service delivery AI agent, it's Airtable for project management, Slack for communication, and Calendly for scheduling. 5 AI agent platforms that talk to each other automatically through simple integrations. The entire AI agent system costs $347 a month to run and took 2 weeks to set up. Compare that to my $50,000 AI agent disaster that never even worked properly. The lesson about AI agents: don't reinvent the wheel. Use existing AI agent tools and connect them intelligently. Now here's the advanced AI agent system that predicts my revenue. AI agents change my life through revenue prediction intelligence that's scary accurate. This AI agent tracks every metric in my business and makes optimization decisions automatically. These AI agents analyze which outreach messages get the highest response rates and update the scripts in real time. The AI agents identify which service providers perform best and allocate more clients to them automatically. But here's the most powerful part about these AI agents. They predict revenue with scary accuracy. Based on current pipeline, response rates, closing percentages, and seasonal trends, my AI agents tell me exactly how much money I'll make next month, next quarter, even next year. This month, the AI agents predicted $152,000. We're on track to hit $157,000. Last month, they predicted $89,000 and we hit $91,000. The accuracy is incredible because the AI agents are processing thousands of data points I could never track manually. The AI agent system even tells me which marketing channels to focus on. It identified that Instagram outreach converts 23% higher than LinkedIn, so it automatically shifted more resources to Instagram. It discovered that prospects who engage with my content before outreach are 67% more likely to close. So now it prioritizes warm leads. This level of business intelligence from AI agents is like having a crystal ball for your revenue. You can make decisions based on data, not guesswork. AI agents transform my business because they understand the psychology behind why automation works better than humans. Here's what most people don't realize about AI agents. They're not just automation tools, they're psychological leverage machines. AI agents remove human limitations like fatigue, emotions, and inconsistency. When I was doing outreach manually, my energy would drop throughout the day. My first 10 messages were great, but by message 240, I was tired and sloppy. AI agents maintain perfect consistency across thousands of messages. When I was managing projects manually, I get frustrated with difficult clients, and it would show in my communication. AI agents handle every interaction with perfect professionalism, even when clients are demanding or unreasonable. When I was making business decisions manually, I let emotions cloud my judgment. AI agents make purely data-driven decisions based on what actually works, not what I think should work. But here's the deeper psychology of AI agents. They create compound advantages. Every day, my AI agents get slightly better at their tasks. They learn from every interaction, optimize based on every result, and improve their performance automatically. While I sleep, my AI agents are getting better at finding prospects, crafting messages, and closing deals. It's like having a team that never stops learning and improving, working 24/7 to grow my business. This compound effect of AI agents is why my results keep accelerating. Month 1, 23K. Month 2, 67K. Month 3, 157K. The AI agents aren't just maintaining performance, they're improving exponentially. Now at this point of the video, you might be thinking, Renzo, this AI agent system sounds incredible and all, but what if I'm not tech savvy enough to set this up? Like, what if I mess up the integrations and waste money like you did? That's exactly why your next step is to watch this video where I break down the best AI online business to start as a beginner, including the exact beginner-friendly approach that requires zero technical skills and guarantees you won't make the same expensive mistakes I did. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.